Hello, so today I'm going to blog about the progress of my plants here inside in my indoor plant gardening. So as you see here, we just made a tent made out of this metallic walls with this extra light source that we bought in eBay, and we have electric fan to supply a little bit of air to them. And so here are the plants that we just planted just before, a few months before Christmas, and now here are they growing so well. We are using the master blend. This is a hydroponics, and we have here is the first floor and we have the second floor, and I'm going to turn off the electric fan because it makes a lot of unnecessary sounds. Okay, so here are my babies, the Thai basil that I have video before, and see, this is growing very bushy because we already applied the fuming, pruning, and there is another Thai basil. I use this as an herbs or herbs flavoring when I use Thai curry. And to avoid this being so gross out, also we apply the fuming, like we just cut the end buds, and so the flower too, because I don't need the flower, like this. And look at that, here and here we have a lot of peppers here, chili peppers of different kind now, and they are also growing so bushy. The fuming is really helpful if you are growing chili peppers or you are growing vegetables inside, so to to avoid growing them very tall and using a lot of space. So instead of growing taller, then we applied fuming so it grows broader instead and bushy, and it gives them a lot of chance to make a lot of flowers. So look at them, they are having a lot of flower buds now. And this one, look at this, they already open. But here we have a problem here, like we have seen some aphids here, but we are very careful that we always try to at least check this at least twice a day to check if there's an aphids that attack, because we will lose these plants if there is an aphids here. So what we did here to treat this with the aphids is we have a blend here. I'm sitting here. This is a blend of neem tree oil and water. We blend, and then if we find some aphids in here, so we just soak this in this solution. So the aphids will be, you know, they will irritated by the neem tree oil and with the solution, and they really don't get, they die because of, you know, they will not get air and they will not breathe. And here is another chili peppers that is growing so bushy, and look at that. This is the best peppers we have. Okay, look at that. Look how healthy. And here, this is our faucet, and here is the Italian basil. This is so really far, it's really in the corner, so I have no time applying the pruning and the trimming. So look at that, it started to get really tall. I think I have to prune that because it's just growing so tall. Try to compare these chili peppers with the that we prune and this that we just let them grow by itself. And here is another chili peppers, but this is not healthy. I don't know, just sometimes they are not developing so much root. This is the inside. It is very important that you are not going to soak all the roots, because some of the roots are for breathing and some of the roots are for drinking the water. And here, let's check. Look at this. You have to have your water halfway, or else they will die. And here we'll check. This is really healthy. This is just going so well. Now maybe I'll just have to cut this, and I'm going to just cut the end. Like this, so I can plant this, so I have more. Another that I can use when I make spaghetti. Okay, we'll just cut the end. It's just okay. It will grow. The more you cut the stems, the more it grows healthier. The more it develops its stems, and it will grow bushy. And like that. So I have here, I think this one, this I got. I'll just get some of the leaves, and then I can plant this again in water, and by 5 days or in 1 week it will have roots, and it's ready for planting another set of plants. Okay, so I'm done showing my plants here so far. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to make the green and red curry using this as herbs. You can use this when you make a lot of Thai foods. I really like Thai foods. I make red curry, Thai red curry, Thai green curry. I use this, and then you can use this in san pad krapao. And now I'm going to turn again the electric fan for them to have some ventilation. And we're going up in the second floor. So today is all about the updates for my indoor plants, indoor vegetable plants. So here I have this. So here is the second floor, and here is the starting point of our plants. So here we plant from seeds. So here we have, this is a kind of onions, and here is a celery. Look at that, so small. And here is a different chili with the name on it, and it's homegrown chili. And here is a afterglow. Oh my god, it's getting big now. Look at that, it's getting, that's what happened when your veggies, when the plants get so tall, it gets so soft. And here we have different, we have this homegrown, this is paper lantern. It's getting big. I have a video before like this. And this is aftergrown, a lot of aftergrown. And here we tried to reuse the wine bottle, and we'll see if this will work. But here, this will work. And that's it. We'll check. The humidity is 36%. That is really good enough for them to grow. So that's all. That's all the update for my chili peppers and basil. So hope you guys followed my videos, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe so you can have, you are updated, you will be updated by when I upload some videos. Bye bye.